Hey guys, it's Msfili. This is the life of a reseller. We saw an amazing smoking deal on Facebook Marketplace. So I'm gonna drive 30 minutes there and 30 minutes back to pick it up. It's $40 for a Canon camcorder and it's one that takes an SD card, so definitely worth the trip. Hey guys, happy Sunday to everybody. Thank you to everybody who joined the live earlier today. That was such a treat to do. Of course, we had a few trolls in the room. That's kind of like why I don't like doing lives, because anybody can go in and say anything, but you best to believe a bitch clap back at them. Yeah, so we did a live earlier. I don't know if you guys caught it. Thank you to the people who sent super likes. That's so amazing. I feel so grateful. So generous of you. But yeah, so we did a live on the way to picking up this item today. So I feel like they just posted it because I didn't see it, and I check Marketplace frequently. That's a habit that I've been getting into, is checking Facebook Marketplace immediately. Like literally every 10 minutes I'm checking Marketplace just in case something new pops up, and a lot of things pop up all the time on Marketplace. So this is a little camcorder that we picked up. What I like about this is it's the Illura 100, so it takes an SD card and it takes the mini DV. So that's double, like that's super good, because if you don't want to deal with the tapes, you can just use an SD card. And it does work, so I didn't even test it. So what was I saying? Oh yeah, well the thing is, it was in a nice area, so, but the guy looked very like, I don't know, rough. But he came out of the apartment, so I don't know, some people just look rough. Maybe he had a night bender, who knows. But yeah, so it came with this little camcorder. It does, I never seen like the battery pack in here. This, usually the battery pack is like exterior, so I don't know. But it also has SD card here, and then the tape goes into here. Yeah, right over here. So these sell for like $200. There's an SD card with this, I mean like capability, then definitely $200 because it's dual purpose. But it also came with a Roots case. It came with a charger. It came with a 16 gig XD card that doesn't seem to work on there, but I'm gonna try my lower volume ones. It came with 4 tapes. So, well, yeah, 4 tapes, heller, and the remote. So it literally came with everything, and we love it when it comes with everything. So yeah, so that was $40. That is a steal of a deal. I've been holding firm on my prices in terms of camcorders. Like I have one camcorder listed at like $200. Someone offered me $150. I declined it. And I know that sounds crazy, but most of my camcorders have been selling for full price. I think I've sold maybe 6 or 7 camcorders, and they've all sold for full price, especially the ones that take SD cards. I feel like those are a little bit more worth more money because you don't have to deal with the difficulty of transferring tapes, blah blah blah. But some people do like the tape format because of the look of it. But yeah, so, and also someone offered me $600 for my Canyon alkaline water machine, and I said no. I know, did I make a mistake? Because I've been making mistakes like that sometimes, where people offer me like a decent offer and I say no, and then it ends up nobody else buying it, and I would have just actually sold it for that price. But the thing is, the Canyon water machine, I'm the lowest priced one on Marketplace, number one. And number two, it's such an expensive machine, $2,500 brand new. So $1,000 I think is very reasonable. The only condition issue, just you need a new water filter for it, which is about less than $100 on Amazon. But yeah, even then, if you're spending $1,100 for a Canyon water machine that turns your water to alkaline, I think that's a really good deal. Hopefully I get full price for it. And then I forgot to show this. Also, like Daniel had messaged me earlier. So I forgot that he was in Minneapolis. So he's in Minneapolis right now at the Green Day concert. We're going to resume thrifting in 2 weeks. I haven't seen him since Monday of last week when we did the Inside Edition interview. So it's almost a week where I haven't seen him. And then I think when he comes back next week, like this coming week, when he comes back, hold on. He comes back, I don't know when he comes back. I don't even know his itinerary schedule, but he comes back sometime this week. But then he's only here for like a few days, and he's leaving again for Edmonton for the Metallica concert. So I don't know when he's back then. So we're either going to resume thrifting end of, not this week, the week after, or the week after that. It's gonna be a while before you see Daniel on the channel again. Yeah, he was very nice. He offered me, like, because here's the thing. When he went to Minneapolis a year and a half ago, I asked him to buy me something from Minneapolis, and he's like, yeah, I'll buy it, and he didn't buy it. It was literally such an easy thing to buy, but he didn't buy it, and I was like, you know? So like every time he's out of town, he offers me, hey, do you need something here? Do you need something there? I'm like, no, because you're not gonna get it anyway, or you're gonna forget. But he offered me if I wanted something from Trader Joe's. I was like, no, it's okay. You'll forget it anyway. You won't find it. And he's like, no, that's not true. And I'm like, no, it's okay. But thank you for offering. And then what else? I was gonna say something else about Daniel, but I forgot. What was I gonna say? I totally forgot. But he ended up getting like the Green Day set list, and he got the pick, like a guitar pick from Green Day, and he was front row. So he sent me some clips. I thought that was so, I'm glad his dreams came true, because that was one of his dreams, or one of his life goals, is to go see Green Day and be up front and center. And he's seen them before, but I think he was younger. Like he was like literally like just a fresh teen. So now as an adult, he's experiencing it, you know, in real time. And as an adult with a mature brain. But yeah, so I told him, I'm like, I'm happy that your dreams came true. You deserve it. You work hard, blah, blah, blah. Anyway, yeah, he's in Minneapolis right now. Next week, I'll go thrifting a few days. Some days I won't. I want to do something extracurricular, but I don't know who to do it with. Like I said, I don't have many friends, and I don't have anyone to do anything with. And it's kind of sad. I don't know. I might just go to the beach alone on a weekday. I feel like it won't be as busy, especially toward the end of August. So I might just go to the beach alone because there's nobody to go with. Everybody keeps canceling their plans with me, and I'm just trying to feel unloved and unwanted and unlikable. But it's weird when like a lot of your friends have been like just bailing and canceling, especially like my best friend in the whole world. Well, one of two my best friends, like, and then she's not like responding to me and I don't know. It's weird. Maybe she's just going through what I'm going through, like some depression or something, but I don't know. I'm taking a step back from those friendships that canceled on me. But yeah. Anyway, oh, I didn't show this in one of the videos, but I also thrifted this for $30. It is this Justin Bieber plaque. It's to commemorate 1 million sales of his album My World in 2009, so 2009. And yeah, so this was his very first album. I believe it was his EP, not a full album. And the thing is, it also comes with the authenticity certificate on the back, like a letter. Very thick paper stock, but it's from Def Jam Recordings. And a lot number description: Justin Bieber Platinum Music Award for sales over 1 million albums sold for the Universal Def Jam Recording album My World 2009. Order released by Damien Vasquez and photographer AJ Benson, and it's signed in a real like pen, not a printed pen, and then like their address and stuff. So that's kind of cool. Justin Bieber's like one of my favorite artists. So yeah, I thought that was really I paid $30 for it. I listed it high online. I listed it for $200. I feel like it's worth it. Hello. It's his plaque. It's his platinum plaque, actually, not golden, platinum. But yeah, I feel like a collector would want it. I saw one on eBay sell for $200 US plus shipping. So that's well over like $300 Canadian. So for $200, I think it's worth it. Another thing I want to talk about before we end the video is my Longchamp Le Pliage Neo. So I contacted Longchamp, and they sent me, they told me that the corners might not be covered for free, but they ended up covering it for free anyway as complimentary. So they told me that when they do the corners, the bag will be a little bit smaller and a little bit less width. And if the size of the hole is over an inch, that they can't repair it. I think this might be, I don't think that's an inch, might be half an inch, but hopefully the corners all get covered. But the process was just emailing on their website, they have a repair email claim. And then I emailed them. They asked for a picture of the white tag inside and the pictures of what I want to repair. I wanted to repair the straps too because they're floppy like a flaccid, unerect dick. So, but I don't know. I think I might have to pay for that. I emailed them. I emailed them and I'm like, well, if you're covering the repair for the holes, how much would it be for the handles? Because I want to get those replaced too. Because I like it when the Longchamp handles are hard and like erect, not when they're flaccid like that. I feel like it just makes it look well worn. Overall, the bag is in like great condition. So, and I've been using it a lot and I like it. I forgot how much I loved Longchamp. But I don't know. They might not repair the handles. But I figured if I'm asking them how much it would be, they'll repair it at my cost. I wouldn't pay more than like $30 to repair the handles, to be honest though. If it's more than 30, fuck that shit. Anyway, that's it for the video, guys. Happy Sunday. I hope you're doing well. And I will continue to do daily uploads until I implode or, you know, go a little maniacal, homicidal. Because it is a hard job, guys, trying to upload every day. But you know, when we do upload on YouTube, uploading on YouTube, I'm a little bit bitchy, I'm a little bit annoyed. I will cut a bitch, keeping it classy, keeping it demure.